In this video, we're going to talk about the WebEx user provision and feature provisioning. Now, obviously, when you obtain your access to your WebEx portal, you will have to go through initial setup of your users and features, how you want to deploy it. Now, the provisioning flow is usually you're ready. You're ready to place an order. You work with the Cisco Commerce Workspace. You place a calling order. You get an access to your control hub. So the access to your control hub will be provided by your partner, where you're obtaining your WebEx service from. Partner will do the initial setup on backend and then give you access to your email. You will then receive an email to log invitation to log into the WebEx control panel. Once you have that, you will go through the provisioning of it. Now, first time when you setting up the location, depending on certain, when you log in, there will be interface may look different because it's a web based. Things can change. Like for example, when I am setting up as a partner, they will have different admin. Like I said, this will be managed by your partner admin. They will select the location that customer is closer to. They will select a country that is closer to the customer so that it choose the appropriate WebEx calling instance. They will obviously, may decide to import a PSTN connection for you, or you may do that on your own. So I'm going to walk you through initial setup. So if I were the partner, I would initially set up a trial or legal access, full access. So let's say I'm going to choose a BBC pod, and then you will select your business vertical and the country. So I'm in Canada today, so I'll choose Canada, and I certify myself that yes, I am location is supported. This is where you partner will select their necessary trial features if they are going to trial. Set up the WebEx calling, WebEx Go. I can choose to, depending on certain countries, Cisco can loan you some devices like WebEx room devices. If you select that, you will have to, you may have to, partner will have to make sure that they get those devices back. I'm not going to select this. The license quantity for demo purposes, I'm going to choose 10. Trial duration, you can give them 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days. And then, of course, enable contact services for UCCE Enterprise. Now, once you save that, an email will be sent to client where they will be invited to log in